What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and today we have a news from the Realme CEO Madhav, and he has confirmed everything which you need to know about the Realme GT, about the pricing, the availability and all the confirmed specification of the Realme GT. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also help us reaching out as our 1000 subscriber goal. So what has been confirmed for the Realme GT is that the Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon processor, which is a 888, and it will be paired up to 12GB of RAM with 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The battery will be backed up with a 4500 mAh battery and with the powered by the 65-watt fast charging support. On the camera side, it will sport a triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel primary shooter with a f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and the 2 megapixel of macro camera. Not only that, for the selfie lovers, it will be having a 16 megapixel front punch hole selfie camera. Now, if we talk about other features of this phone, then it will also have a stereo speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack with an optical fingerprint scanner and an Android 11, which will be running on the Realme UI 2.0 on the top of the device. Well, on the display side, it will be having a 6.5 inch of AMOLED display which will support up to a 120Hz variable refresh rate. Now, not only that, the Realme GT will also come with a dedicated GT mode which will enhance the gaming ability of the smartphone. Now, if we talk about the other things of this smartphone, which is the price of this phone, then the Realme GT was launched in the Europe for around 40,000 rupees or the 449 euros for the 8 plus 128GB of storage, which converts to a 40,000 rupees, but consider that the Euro pricing are generally high when compared to the Indian market. So we can expect this price of this phone to be around 35,000 rupees, which is still not being confirmed by the Realme CEO Madhav, but what has been confirmed about this the launch date. Earlier speculations were that the Realme GT will launch around the Diwali, but that plans have been changed from the Realme. The phone will be launching before Diwali, not the exact date to be expected, but the phone will definitely be launching before the Diwali, which is the festive season in the India. And not only that, the phone will be available on the Realme website and also on the Flipkart. So if you like this video and also these information, then do subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and help us reaching out as our 1000 subscribers goal. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the very next one.